In 3, 2, 1, we are starting with the warm-up, okay? Just a warm-up. We're going to count 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now we are going to make it up like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now we're going to do side bend. Just bend in sides. Slow, slow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Try to bend as much as you can. 7, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Let's go again. 20 jumping jacks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, we do the last warm up. Touch down, then clap up 20 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. That is the warm-up. Okay, so take a rest 15 to 10 seconds and then we go into our main workout. Okay, don't forget, share, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, you want to burn fats, you want to lose weight, this is the right video. You have to work out with me and follow me step by step. Okay, so we are dropping into our main workout, and the first exercise we are going to do mountain climber. I'm going to count 30. Okay, in 3, 2, 1, let's go down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. That is mountain climber. Start the count. Okay, take a rest 15 seconds and then we proceed with the next workout. Okay, next exercise we are going to hold a plank. I'm going to count 32. Okay, take a lot of water. Don't forget to check in what you eat. Okay, avoid oily things and then we proceed. Let's go down 30 count plank. Make your body straight. Don't hip up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. Yeah. That is 30 count plank. Take at least 15 to 20 seconds, and then we proceed. Should see. And here put it so tambula mukona just a little bit musie. Yeah. Okay guys, we are going into our next exercise. Yeah, we are going to reach our toes, okay? Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. This is cardio workouts. Lose weight, burning fat. Okay? Take a rest, 15 seconds, and then we go to the next exercise. Okay? Our next workout, we are going to do butt kicks. Okay? In 3, 2, 1, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Oh, 30 butt kicks, take a rest. Then we drop into squats. Okay, 30 squats. Yeah, don't forget, always stay hydrated, be consistent, avoid too much oil, take enough rest. Yeah, stress free yourself. This will help you to ease your results. Okay, don't be so much stressed, so that you can keep your body, giving your body potential to ease the results. Huh? You want to take a water? Abantu bameyeka luwa. Alay. Osomo vinyi sako koneri ya YouTube. By the way, nchijukide directions no so zitekamu esimu as long as nsigala ndi wakati. Oh guys, so we are going into squats. 3, 2, 1. Stand firm properly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Good job. Take a rest. Take a rest. Oh. forget like and then subscribe to this channel. Next workout we are going to make lunges. Okay, make lunges, 30 lunges, and then we proceed with 3, 2, 1. 1, change, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. That is 30 lunges. Don't forget this workout we make at 30. Okay? 30, 30. Anyway, 15 seconds left, and then we continue with our workout. Okay? Like, share, subscribe to the channel. Those who want private training, you can DM me, put down in the comment section. I'm interested. I will send you a link and you sign up for a private training. Okay? Next workout, we are going to make 30. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, Take a list, then we proceed. You have to try to push as much as you can. Okay, push yourself as much as you can so that you can ease your results. Okay, how long? Huh? 14, eh? Okay. Yeah, 20. 20. Okay, guys. Let's go into jumping jacks. 30 jumping jacks. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. That is 30. Jumping jacks. Okay. Take a rest and then we go into our next workout. Let's go into forward kicks. 3, 2, 1. We go like this. I'm going to count 30, okay? 3, 2, 1. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Take a rest and then we go into stretches. 30, then we drop into stretching session. Okay. Okay, 3, 2, 1, let's go. Stand it properly like this. Okay, open your arms. Now we are going to swing side by side. Cool down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, make your legs straight, bend, reach your heels. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. One leg forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, thank you guys for today. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share the video. See you next time.